Now, palm oil, once the cheapest vegetable oil, is now facing sustained price pressures. The combination of slowing production and Indonesia's aggressive biodiesel push has eliminated the deep discounts that once made it the preferred choice in global markets. Indonesia, the world's top producer, has raised its mandatory biodiesel blend to 40% this year and plans to increase it further to 50% by 2026. This shift will cut Indonesia's palm oil exports to an estimated 20 million metric tons by 2030, down from 29.5 million in 2024. The impact is already visible. Crude palm oil has been trading at a premium over crude soybean oil for 6 months, reversing a long-standing trend. In India, the largest buyer, prices have surged to $1,185 per ton, more than double the 2019 levels. The slowdown in palm oil output is another key driver of rising prices. Production, which grew at over 7% annually for decades, has now slowed to just 1% year-over-year for the last 4 years. Malaysia's output has stagnated for over a decade due to its land constraints and slow replanting, while Indonesia is struggling with aging plantations and low yields. Smallholder farmers, who contribute 40% of Indonesia's supply, are hesitant to replant due to the 3 to 4 year gap before new trees bear fruit. As a result, Indonesia's crude palm oil yields have fallen to 11.4% over the past decade. Industry forecasts suggest global production growth will average just 1.3 million tons per year this decade, less than half the previous pace. Higher palm oil costs are already shifting global demand. Buyers are reducing purchases and switching to alternatives like soybean and sunflower oil, pushing their prices higher as well. This trend is complicating inflation control for governments worldwide, particularly in emerging markets where palm oil is a staple. Industry experts warn that without new planting permits in Indonesia, periodic shortage and price spikes will continue. While countries like Colombia and Nigeria are ramping up production, they cannot fully bridge the supply gap, especially as biofuel demand keeps rising. With limited land, aging plantations and strong industrial demand, palm oil prices may stay elevated for years, reshaping the global vegetable oil market.